Welcome back to the channel. So this is a problem that many people face is decision making. How do I make the best decision for my life? When it comes to making big decisions, we like to think through it as much as possible because it's obvious we want to know the best solution for our problem. Sometimes it helps because thinking can show us the better opportunity or what seems better, but often it leaves you in this state of not knowing because the first option seems good and the second option also seems good. So, how do you know which one is the best option? Which option should you pursue? So, in this video, we're going to talk about how to make decisions and big decisions in your life so you can know exactly what you should do. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss other videos like this that I'll be posting in the future. And without further ado, let's hop into this video. Okay, so the solution is there is no solution, but that's more profound than it sounds because it can help you actually to make a decision. Notice, just notice that there is no right solution. There are pros and cons to everything, basically, to every decision you can make. So, if you're searching for the perfect thing, you won't find it. Focus on taking action instead of dwelling about which is the right decision. And it could be about anything, basically. Like, should I go to college? Should I work this or work that? Or should I date this person? Or should I break up with this person? There are pros and cons to everything. And the worst thing that you can do, the worst decision that you can make is that you don't make any decision because you're overwhelmed from the possibilities. Freedom of decision can be a very good thing and a very bad thing for other people. Like, some people enjoy having the freedom to decide whatever they want, but some people better like when they are in their box and making they don't have to think about because they think that everything is serious. When everything is serious, you are stressed. What is the right decision? Why do I need to choose? What path should I go? So if you have a decision to make or a big decision to make, think, if you want, about it. There is also another solution: to follow your intuition. And I think that intuition can probably or is probably the best thing to follow because it is usually correct. When you follow your intuition, you follow it for the right reasons. You follow it because for the love of life, really, because maybe your intuition guides you to quit college and pursue your dreams, and that's usually that's usually guided by something more, something by love, really. And when you're guided by fear and, like, should I stay in college? I have safe income. Have safe. Uh, I have safe future, but I don't have the life of my dreams. Or should I risk it all, like pursuing my dreams, and don't have it uh, mm, don't have it for and you don't have it for sure. You might have it, but the chances are not in your favor. So the intuition guides you towards something you love and something that makes you passionate about life, and your thinking mind guides you towards survival and really the easy option. So my thoughts are, and my reasoning is that you should follow your intuition, because the intuition never goes away really, because you always have this voice in your head that you need to you need to do something bigger with your life, that you have potential in you to change the world, to give yourself to the world. Now of course you can't know that you will succeed, but there is a joy in that also, when you're believing into yourself and into your calling. There is a big joy in that, and it's much bigger joy than staying in the comfort and not deciding to take on this journey really. But I'm not saying that um, decisions like this should be that is the right decision, because it might not be. You might not succeed. You might fail, fail big. And for some people, it is better to and the decision to, for example, stay in college and have this in the box life where everything is safe, but there are no big there is no big success really. That might be better for some people. So don't I don't say that everyone should pursue their dreams and help the world. And I'm saying that there is no right decision. That the best thing that you can do and the most productive thing that you can do is just to pick one and then follow it. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You don't need to um, identify with the decision. Like for example, I tried to follow my dreams, and after some time, I noticed that well, it doesn't work. Uh, you're not helping anyone, so maybe it's time to reconsider my decision and to cut my losses and to do something which is more safe and which will actually make me money and with which I can survive really. So the most productive thing is to pick one pick one decision which feels the right, which feels the best decision, and don't think about it at all. You picked it and you stick with it until you notice that it might not be the right decision. Because when you take time and dwell on things and overthink about decisions, what happens is that you don't pick any decision, and then you just lose time. And you probably have enough time to try both decisions to be the most efficient. and to be the most productive, you need to notice that this overthinking that happens is holding you back, really. Well, that's it for this video. It was a little bit shorter one, but I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss other videos like this, and uh, comment if you enjoyed this video, or if you have any questions or any thoughts. Really, I love to read your comments, so, and you also help the channel out. Well, that's it for this one, and see you in the next video. Bye.